Okay, tell us what we're doing.
Jess and Corey are telling us their baby, the gender of their baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. Thank you. Diana. Boo. Because you're a present. You said boo?
Is that the...
Dustin, don't pee.
I think there's a baby inside this box. No, that's from the basket. Hey, you're trying to cheat. You're trying to find out early.
Oh no, you.
Camera's ready.
Puzzle.
What is it? You gotta find the mat.
Okay, anybody want another one? Anybody want a second one?
A second one? I'll take a second one. I mean, can I do this and run a camera?
Okay, there's something in here. Together?
Put one there.
Why are they all different? Why do you
I
need
don't
to
know. I don't know.
I know my
I need to give 2 more away. Who wants to go?
I don't...
Come here, Tejana. The sauce is important right now. Okay. Got one?
party's over. Glitter everywhere.
Okay, so
Sparkles on my cheek.
when I say go, you guys have to open your boxes. The answer is only in one box.
Oh!
If you have the winning box, yell out what it is. Ready? Set? Go!
If I have it, I'm not saying it.
Keep guessing.
Boy!
Keep guessing.
Keep
Okay,
guessing.
open that one.
It's a girl!
Oh, I won the boy.
I quit. They lied to us. One of these days, someone's gonna have a boy.